Hello dear students, how are you? I think you are all fine by the grace of God. I am Sumanta Kumar Mondal, the head of the Department of English in Banglabazar Fatema Khanam College. You are newly admitted students, the students of first year. I think all you are fine. As a pandemic situation is going on, and that's why all the colleges and schools, colleges, all are closed. That's why I am here. I am going to take the classes online. So I think I'll get all of you. However, today is the first class with you. I think all of you will join with me and you will participate and you will watch this video. I'll try my best to give videos, educational videos online every week. However, today I am going to discuss about tenses. At first, to discuss about English second paper, I will discuss first tenses. So I think all of you know about the tenses, but once again I would like to review it. So at first I would like to say tenses. What are the tenses? Tenses are the different forms of verbs in different times. Tenses are usually three types: present, past and future. Every tense is further divided into four groups, and they are indefinite, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. So first I would like to talk about indefinites. So can you say what is indefinite? Perhaps you know, but I am going to say again, indefinite. Indefinite, this means ordinary actions. So any indefinite indicates the ordinary actions. So present indefinite indicates the present ordinary actions. Past indefinite means past ordinary actions, and future indefinite means the future ordinary actions. Okay, I will use sometimes Bengali for your better understanding. So what I said indefinite বলতে বোঝায় সাধারণভাবে কোনো কাজ করা। So present indefinite বর্তমানে সাধারণভাবে কোনো কাজ করা, past indefinite অতীতে সাধারণভাবে কোনো কাজ করা হয়েছিল, and future indefinite ভবিষ্যতে সাধারণভাবে কোনো কাজ করা হবে। Again, continuous means continuous action, that is an action that is going on. So present continuous, the action that is going on in the present is called the present continuous, and past continuous, an action that is going on in the past is called the past continuous, and future continuous, an action that will be going on in future is called the past future continuous. So actually, what is the difference between indefinite and continuous? The difference is that indefinite means the ordinary actions and continuous means the action that is going on, that is continuous action. So when we'll talk about or read, we will use indefinite tenses for the ordinary actions and continuous for the continuous actions. Okay, so I'm giving an example. Suppose I write a paragraph. Here write is the present ordinary form of verbs, and in past ordinary the sentence would be yesterday I wrote a paragraph, and future ordinary is tomorrow I'll write a paragraph. So that the same way, that if I would like to express this action in continuous form, then I will say, I'm writing a paragraph. Yesterday I was writing a paragraph. Tomorrow I will be writing a paragraph. So all these are the continuous actions. So now I told you about indefinite and continuous. Indefinite means ordinary actions and continuous means continuous actions. So let me say the structures of all indefinites: present indefinite, subject, then verb, or adding with verb, s by es with the verbs, and extension. Past indefinite, subject plus past tense of verb plus extension, and future indefinite, subject plus will plus base form of verb and extensions. And continuous, subject plus am is there plus verb of ing plus extensions. Past continuous, subject plus was there plus verb of ing plus extension. And future continuous, subject plus will be plus verb of ing plus extension. Okay, so why I am starting at first tenses? Because tenses everywhere, well, wherever you would like to, that is, read or write anything, whatever you would like to write or read, you will find these tenses. So tense actually used for the time sequence. So if you can easily understand the time sequence, then you can easily express your ideas, views, and you can easily understand the others' ideas and views or expressions. And that's why I have started first to discuss about the tenses. Okay, so let's start about the next two tenses, that is perfect and perfect continuous. Perfect, actually this perfect means the some kind of action that is completed, some kind of action that is completed already. This is called the perfect tense. So if I say present perfect, an action that has been finished sometimes earlier, but the result or the influence of the action is in the present, and that's why it is called the present perfect. And past perfect, two actions happen in the past, and the one action would be, that is first, and the another action would be second. So the first action is called the past perfect, and the second action is called the past indefinite. And what is future perfect? An action that will be, that will have happened in future by a time, before time, and before an actions. That is called the future perfect. Okay, so let's give an example. Present perfect, I have done my homework. Past perfect, yesterday I had done my homework. Tomorrow, future perfect, tomorrow I will have done my homework by 5 p.m. or before 5 p.m. or before you come. Structures of the perfect tense: present perfect, subject, and then verb to have, that is have has plus verb of past participle plus extensions, and verb, and past perfect, subject plus past form of verb to have, that is had, and verb of past participle plus extension. And future perfect, subject plus will have plus verb of past participle plus extension. Okay, now we'll talk about perfect continuous. Actually perfect and continuous, these two tenses together form a tense, and that's why it is called the perfect continuous. And this perfect continuous actually means an action that is going on for a particular period of time. And accordingly we can say present perfect continuous, an action that is going on for a time in the present is called the present perfect continuous, and an action that was happened or that was happening for a time in the past, for a period of time in the past is called the past continuous, past perfect continuous, and the future perfect continuous. An action that will have been happened for a particular period of time is called the future perfect continuous. And the structure of these three perfect continuouses are present perfect continuouses. Present perfect continuous is subject plus have oblique has plus been plus verb of ing plus extension, and past perfect continuous subject had plus verb of had plus been plus verb of ing plus extension, and future perfect continuous subject plus will have been plus verb of ing plus extension. Suppose I am giving some examples, like an example of present perfect continuous. I have been reading paragraphs for 30 minutes. Yesterday I had been reading a paragraph for 30 minutes. Tomorrow I will have been reading a paragraph for 30 minutes. And these are all about the tenses in short. I think you could easily understand. If you do not understand, please, that is, you see this video again, and then I think you will be able to easily understand. And if you would like to ask me any question, then I am telling my phone numbers 01711070083. If you would like to call me, then you can also call me. Okay, so 2 days after this, thank you. This is my first class of online, and for the next time I will be again with you. Okay, see you. Thank you.